I have bought a chocolate candy where I will use the foil to create this design. I have noticed that these foils are as thin as a nail foil. Here, you can see all the nail foils next to each other when they are extended. I have chosen to paint the base of the nail pink. 2 layers and cure between the nail. Once this is done, I will apply nail glue so that the nail foil can be attached to the nail. I have chosen to cut this pattern out of the nail foil to be able to apply it to the nail. Apply the pattern to the nail that was just cut out. Press the pattern down firmly so that it sticks properly. When you are done, apply top coat to the nail and then cure the nail for 60 seconds. On the next nail, I have applied 2 layers of a nude pink gel color. I have also applied nail glue where I will apply the candy decoration. When I am satisfied with the application, I cure the nail and then apply top coat and cure again. On the third nail, I have applied the same base gel color as on the nail number 2. I have also cut out a pattern that I will apply at the bottom of the nail. Don't forget to apply nail glue first before applying the pattern. For the last step, I have applied nail glue before applying the nail decoration. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure. On the last nail, the base of this nail is the same base as nail number 2. I will make it simple by applying candy charms to the nail and cure when I am done. For the last step of this design, I am going to apply top coat and cure the nail for the last time. I hope you learned something today in today's video. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any nail art tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.